Hi, my name is Leo. This is my Cybertruck. And today we're talking about these running boards. This is the third generation of the running boards from EVBase. And thank you EVBase for providing this. For the sake of this video, I'm not pushed to say nice things about it. But these are running boards. This is the third generation, means they improved a lot of things, they fixed a lot of things, means that at least they are good. So let's talk about these things, we'll install them and do all kind of stuff with these running boards, because this is a video about running boards. You clicked on the video about running boards. What did you expect? Butterflies? My god, people. Here is a bike for the scale, and you can see the box is big. Yeah, it's interesting. Let me show you all that stuff. Alright, so the first impression before I installed it, first of all, it looks pretty robust, to be honest. Another thing that I really like, the mount brackets are identical, so they are the same. You have 10 of them and it's impossible to mix them up.
There is also a bunch of screws which you will never guess are identical too. Everything seems easy and the future is bright. And they even put a small wrench in there. But if you want to be on the easy side, probably get a ratchet.
The only thing that you need to remember is that the left running board is the left and the right running board is the right. And this is pretty much it. It should be very easy installation, so let's do that.
We'll start with the left one, which is this. Because this is the right one, and this is the left one.
Okay, so everything is extremely dusty here, but ignore that. So this is our hole that we are interested in. So we put our screw in here, and this is another hole over here, and we have 3 more down there. They are pretty much identical, so you're looking for this spot to install your bracket in. I've never installed any running boards of any kind before, but briefly it looks extremely easy. 5 screw holes that you use to install mount brackets, and then you put the running board on top and you tighten everything down and it should work. Halfway done. Now we got these guys installed, but I kept them pretty wiggly here. We put the running boards on top, tighten the running board to this thing and adjust them properly, and then we tighten them from the underneath. And underneath you will find a couple of screw holes here that match these slots here, so you can adjust your running boards however you want. When you put all screws in, don't tighten it up, just make sure that you align it properly so your corners match the corners, and then you can tighten it up. It's pretty easy, just remember about it. Just take a look at this. It's freaking beautiful, just installed it. Yeah. Wow, this is super great. I'm here on the top and I'm walking on this thing. Amazing, amazing, looks sick. Let me install the second running board and then I'll show you all together. There is no point to film it because it's going to be identical, pretty much the same process, but give me a second. The second part is done, just look at this. Lovely, let me check it out. Oh yeah, it's very good. Also, I don't know if it's a good or bad thing, but I got these screws left, and well, I guess it's a good thing. You want to be on the video?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you stand on it? Just don't jump on it too hard. I believe that you can break it because you're heavy.
I weigh 88 pounds.
What?
I weigh 88 pounds.
88 pounds
Yeah.
of muscles and anger?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
And just like that, the running boards passed the 88-pound test. For those who are interested in the measurements of these things, they are just over 6-inch deep, 88-inch long, and provide about 12-inch of clearance for the medium riding height of your truck, which is pretty not bad. And before we end this video, I would like to mention that if you have any questions about your Cybertruck or accessories, we created a small real-time chat for Cybertruck owners on the Pi Messenger platform that we are making for small communities like ours. If you have any urgent questions that need to be answered right away about anything about a Cybertruck or anything related, the link is down below. It's a small personal project we are creating together that is still developing. And I really hope that you will like it.
So yeah, this is it. This is a video about running boards. You're welcome. I installed these things a couple of days ago. I've been using them for these 2 days, and I think the best use case for me is to step on this thing and grab something from the top, from my rack. If I had installed a rooftop tent on top of the rack, it would be even more usable for me. But for me, the main reason why I installed this is to get an easier access to that thing on top. So, talking about getting in and out of the vehicle, I'm tall enough not to require these things. So for me, they are rather an obstacle than a useful thing, but my wife appreciates them a lot because they are usable for her. So this is it. This is, I would say, my honest opinion about these things. I like the design because they match the black on the bottom and the black on the top right now, and my truck looks beautiful. So yeah, I absolutely love these things. If you like them as well, there is a link down there in the description with discount code. Use it as you wish. Anyway, if you like this video, there are 2 buttons. Consider pressing something, and yeah, thank you for your time. Okay, so I quickly checked there. checked